So today in the advent of cyber, we are doing the day one Linux CLI, shells, bells. You also have a video over here, basically just to walk you through this room, I presume, and we see the lab over there, and we see that we have two videos actually from two creators. Basically, it's the same day one, but from two different creators. You can choose your favorite, but I presume that being here, I am your favorite and I love it. And you are my favorite, and let's go. So, Linux CLI shells bells. Explore the Linux command line interface and use it to unveil Christmas mysteries. Task number 1, introduction. The unthinkable has happened. McSkitty has been kidnapped. Without her, Revolut's defenses are faltering and Christmas itself hangs by a thread. But panic won't save the season. A long road lies ahead to uncover what truly happened. The TBFC, the best festival company, team already brainstorms what to do next. And their first lead points to the TBFC Web 1, a Linux server processing Christmas wishlists. Somewhere within its data may lie the truth. Traces of McSkitty's final actions, or perhaps the clues to King Malware's twisted vision for Isthmus. Learning objectives. Learn the basic of the Linux command line interface, CLI. Explore its use for personal objectives and IT administration. Apply your knowledge to unveil the Christmas mysteries. Connect to the machine. Before moving forward, review the questions and in the connection card shown below. We've read this already. So basically, do you need to start the attack box today? No. Do we need to start a virtual machine today? Yes. Is there a split screen available? Yes. Okay, I presume it will appear after we press here start. Is there a direct link available? No. Given credentials are yes. We can connect via RDP, VNC or SSH. Start the lab by clicking start machine below. So basically we will start the machine. We've seen this already in the introduction. Basically we see that in the right side of the screen it automatically opened. And now over here at the top, it's interesting, we don't have it. Let me collapse that and see. Now you see show split view. Open that and it will open up. All right. Alternatively, you can use the credentials. So we also see here credentials. The machine IP is not yet appearing because the machine is loading. After the machine will finish its boot, you will see also the IP. We see the credentials and we see also the full SSH command that we can use if you want to connect with SSH. Objectives. I have successfully started the virtual machine. Well, let's see. It looks like the machine will start right about now. Yeah, it will boot in a couple of seconds. All right. Let's see. All right, cool. As you can see, the machine IPs appeared over here, right? 1081, 186, 204. Awesome. Check.